dear valued customer, partners, and friends of Sheyang Eurolink Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. Happy New Year! As we embark on the January of 2026, I would like to extend my warmest wishes to all of you around the globe. Look back at 2025, Sheyang Eurolink Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited has made a remarkable strides in the field of the chocolate and cocoa processing equipment. We are particularly proud of our growing footprint in Southeast Asia, including Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. This trust from our overseas clients is the greatest testament to our quality. At Sheyang Eurolink Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, we believe that precision created quality and service building trust. Our commitment to R&D has led to machines that meet the mostly strict European standards, while our localized service and ensures that you receive support whenever and wherever you need it. In 2026, we are ready to take it to the next level. We will introduce a new generation of the energies, efficiently conches and refined miners, designed to enhance your product efficiency and product quality. Our goal is not just to sell machines, but to be your most reliable partner in food processing solutions. We understand that in the chocolate industry, consistent is everything. Rest assured, Sheyang Eurolink Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited will continue to deliver the stability of them and precision that your brand deserves. Thank you for choosing Sheyang Eurolink Machinery Manufacturing Company. We looking forward to achieving more millions together in the year of the house. May you have a prosperous and successful 2026. Sincerely, Sheyang Eurolink Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. Thank you.